Hey, it's Christy here with Editor Creations, and today I'm going to show you how to set up an anchor text if you are using System.io for your pages. Now, this is something that is helpful. I'm going to go to the actual page here and show you what I'm talking about. So sometimes you want to just click on a button, but then you want that button to be able to jump down the page. So if I click on this page, or I'm sorry, that button, then it jumps down to the section I want it to go to. All right. So that's what I'm talking about when I mention anchor text. So if that is something that you have the desire to do, then this is how you do it. So I'm going to click on the element that I want to add the jump to, and I call it jump just so you know what I'm talking about. It's really anchoring it. And you'll see here I have the URL of the page, but then at the end, I have added this little hashtag row dash blah, 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 a bunch of numbers. So where you find that, what you first want to do is decide where you want it to jump to or what section you want it to jump to. So what I want it to do is for it to jump down here to the order section of the page. When you do that, you'll see here at the bottom, there's those numbers that I gave you, right? It's under ID attribute here on the left. So what you're going to do is you're going to click copy to copy the ID attribute, and then you're going to go back to the area where you want it to jump, and you're going to have the link of the page. And then at the end, you're going to add hashtag. And then here is where you're going to paste that ID attribute. So it's that easy. All you have to do, you have the link of the actual sales page and then, or landing page, whatever you're using it for, and then put hashtag and then paste the ID there right at the end. So that's all you have to do. Once you've done that, it will work like magic. Click the button and it's going to go to that section. All right. Hope you found this helpful, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.